Good early AM, everyone. T-Speak at 222 with Swing Traders Anonymous. It's 12:26 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on the East Coast in the United States of America. I wanted to go over real quick the state of crypto and then COTI, one of my very loyal members. Asked me to draw it out in the symmetrical triangle if I could, so I'll take a look at the chart. I'm familiar with COTI, COTIs, or COTI, or COTI, or however the hell you want to say it. So, total crypto market cap is up 1.97 billion. We're right at the all-enticing double top. And it looks like everything's going as planned. I mean, it's in this so-called uptrend, but I believe it's in a somewhat uptrending, it's kind of like a symmetrical triangle. If you come from here, it's uptrending a little bit. So I believe it's going to meet somewhere over here. So it's very tricky. It looks like it's in an uptrend, but it's disguised within its, you can call it a symmetrical triangle, uptrending triangle. But the support is not flat, so it is what it is. So you got to take that into account, but that's what it looks like. It's been falling beautifully, and I just put that there to show the fake uptrend that everybody's showing. And that can simply be easily explained by just saying, okay, we got resistance up here, we came to support, back up to resistance, nothing more, guys. That's the resistance of the downtrending resistance in this triangle. So, of course, it's going to have to go up there. Of course, it's going to look like it's on an uptrend. It's going from the bottom of a triangle to the top. We're going from support to resistance. That's why you buy support, sell resistance. So, right now, you sell resistance. Don't be fooled. This is the all-enticing double top. Is it going to be all-enticing when it pulls down and looks like this? And reveals the M to you? No. So, that's the total crypto market cap. We've got Tether, which has been on an uptrend, and as we talked about earlier, it slightly fell out of this uptrend, as you can see, but it's heavily pulled back up, and it just so happens that we tightened this, and that's not how it was supposed to be. It wasn't a tightening, so that was our mistake. Well, I guess it wasn't my mistake because it is still coming out. I guess it is tightening, but I don't know if it should be that tight. But anyhow, on the uptrend, that's what we're looking at on the total, or on Tether. So we've been on a very long uptrend, guys. I mean, it's literally gone from way the fuck back here, and this has come from way over here. If you want to do it like this, then you can see we fell out, but, I mean, you can go so far back, guys, and this has just been following it. Like to the T. That's how long you can go back, that's what I mean. And you can go all the way up there, but it stays relatively within this trend. So, we're on an uptrend until we break one way or the other, but this is a rather large, what I would call, rising channel. And once this rising channel breaks, you're coming down as far as you went up. And ladies and gentlemen, that is going to be a fucking nightmare on the way back down. Excuse my French. And it's already creating the M-topping reversal. Holy shit balls. So be alert. COTI. And then I'll let you guys go. We've talked about this extensively. Broke down, but it hasn't come down to 27.91 yet. We knew it was going to break out of that triangle, but I want to do this farther out, guys. I want to do this just like I did with the rest, just so you guys can get this is the way I'm doing it, so it's easier for you guys. We're going to be, I'm going to do something, guys, just so you guys can see. We're going to just play this out as if that all-time high didn't happen, just so we can see two scenarios. Because something tells me that's going to be the giant fake out on this pattern. And then it's going to ride this uptrending resistance as support. Or this downtrending resistance. It's going to use it as downtrending support until it breaks back down. What goes up must come down. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, this is beautiful. This is going to be so confluent. You're going to absolutely understand. mean, that's a long way out, though, so it's going to be hard to see. Let's pull the weekly. But that's what I want to look at. That's how you can look at it from that way. You absolutely could. Or, because we got into a new high, you can look at it in this manner. Hey, we're going up. Right? And then right here, I don't want to confuse you, but this is literally what would be going on if it's an uptrend. And I want to do this because then you're going to know right away. You're either going to know it's either going to continue up this or it's going to break down and it's going to come back into this symmetrical triangle. This, I believe, is a fake out to the top side that will reveal itself in an M. Likely a double top. When I say an M topping reversal, that means it'll likely show this. A lot of the patterns are doing this and it'll come down eventually. So that's what I think it's doing. Could it continue up? Sure. So, like I always say, though, I'm not a financial advisor, so what do I know? But this is what my take of the market. If you know, the charts are making sense, you will obviously take it into account. Stay blessed, everybody. Make sure to hit that like button.